Number 5. Home Labs. 16-ounce/500 ml capacity tank extracts up to 9 ounces/250 ml. Small and compact dehumidifier. Quiet, safe and energy efficient. Energy efficient 25 WETL certified adapter. Removes moisture from rooms up to 150 square feet. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Ivation Ivat 30 PW. Keeps your space cool and comfortable by removing 30 pints of moisture per day. Powerful compressor dehumidifier prevents mold, mildew, dust. Low maintenance and easy operation. Bright LED display indicates humidistat and setting. Simply plug in, select settings and empty 1.3 gallon reservoir. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Keystone K-Stat 50B. Energy Star compliant, 2.0 EEV. Removes up to 50 pints of moisture from the air. Settings include normal, turbo and auto defrost. Removable, easy cleaning dust filter with a clean filter alert. Continuous draining option available with a hose. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Frigidaire 70 pint. Energy Star 70 pints per day dehumidifier protects your home. Front, pull out 13.1 pint tank with handle, splash guard. Continuous operation possible when unit is located near a suitable drain. Low temperature operation saves energy and money. Ready, select electronic controls with digital humidity readout. Please check the description for details and best priced. Number 1. Friedrich D70 VPA. 70 pint dehumidifier plugs into a standard 115V electrical outlet. Horizontally up to 15 feet plus continuous drainage option from rear drain outlet. Displays room temperature and humidity level. Caster wheels for easy mobility. 24 hours on-off timer. Please check the description for details and best price.